Second, my favorite knife. That's knife I just put in the sheet because that's the folding knife, Banchmade Adamas. I purchased this knife just to be something in the pocket when I need it, and this knife is mostly useful. So I use this knife everywhere I go, and it's pocket knife, nice knife, expensive knife, Banchmade. There's a market, Adamas. You can check what the steel is, what is used for, what is everything for online if you like. But this is new versions of these knives, and I'm very happy with that. It's pretty ergonomic, very good, very bulky, kind of heavy, good lock on it, this Banchmade lock. I put some lanyard so to chop something like if you need it, but I never did. So this knife, it's a folding pocket knife, it calls, right? But the thing is, I wear in the pocket. It makes holes in the pocket. It's too heavy. That's why I purchased just a leather sheet, and I just use this with the leather sheet and put on the belt. That's way it's very handy on the sheet. It doesn't go anywhere, and that's why I use this knife every time I go camping or go outside or bush. So this knife on my belt every time. So that's one of my mostly used knife, which is I would be choose from all this knife. I would choose this one to use every day if I need it.